Indian Foreign Minister accused Pakistan of terrorism, and Pakistan has been submitting so many dossiers to different authorities, different organizations, including the UN, but with no result so far. So how long the Kabul, Delhi, and Islamabad are going to face this war of terrorism against each other? And secondly, do you foresee any kind of rise in tensions because Pakistan is in a vulnerable situation and there is a war of words between you and the Indian Foreign Minister over here? Will it turn into any kind of rise in the tensions along the borders?
I don't believe we're in a war of words. Are we in a war of words? I haven't noticed. No, I want to be very careful because I actually didn't catch the statement that you were referring to.
Just now he made at the stakeout.
Center of terrorism.
Oh, okay, well, that I disagree. It's pretty safe to say. Look, I'm the Foreign Minister of Pakistan. And Pakistan's Foreign Minister is a victim of terrorism, is the son of Shaheed Mohtamma Benazir Bhutto. The Prime Minister of Pakistan, Shehbaz Sharif, when he was CM of Punjab, his home minister was assassinated by terrorists. Political parties, civil society, the average people in Pakistan, across the board, have been the victims or the perpetrators of terrorism. We've lost far more lives to terrorism than India has. Why would we want our own people to suffer? We absolutely do not. Unfortunately, I think India has been playing in that space that I referred to earlier in my statement. It's very easy to say Muslim and terrorists together and get the world to agree. And they very skillfully blur this line, where people like myself are associated with terrorists, rather than as those who have been fighting and to this day are fighting terrorism. As far as India is concerned, they've had terrorist attacks. They too should not have had to experience terrorist attacks. Whatever cooperation they need, we've offered in the past, we can, would like to continue to offer in the future. But they continuously perpetuate this philosophy. And it's not just for Pakistan, it's for the Muslims in India. We're terrorists whether we're Muslims in Pakistan, and we're terrorists whether we're Muslims in India. I'd like to remind the Honorable Foreign Minister, or the Minister for External Affairs of India, that Osama bin Laden is dead, but the butcher of Gujarat lives. And he is the Prime Minister of India. He was banned from entering this country until he became Prime Minister. This is the Prime Minister of the RSS and the Foreign Minister of the RSS. What is the RSS? The RSS draws its inspiration from Hitler's SS. The RSS, I saw yesterday that the Foreign Minister of India was with the UN Secretary General inaugurating a statue of Gandhi. But if the Foreign Minister of India was being honest, then he knows as well as I that the RSS does not believe in Gandhi, in the ideology of Gandhi, in the manifesto of Gandhi. They do not see this individual as the founder of India.